Hi everyone, today we'll be working on question number 253 on LeetCode called Meeting Rooms 2. So this is a follow-up to Meeting Rooms 1 where we just wanted to see if one person could go to all possible meetings. But in this one we want to find the number of conference rooms required, or the minimum number of conference rooms required for each one. So in this case, since one meeting starts at time 0 to 30, another one starts at time 5 to 10. Since they do overlap, there must be 2 meeting rooms for these 2 separate meetings. However, for example 2, we can see that since the meeting from 2 to 4 ends before the meeting from 6 to 10, that room can be reused. So let's get started. First off, what we're going to do is we're going to push all of our start times into one array and all of our end times into another array. And then we're going to compare them one by one to see if we need extra room. So let's do that first. Then just to make sure that we're comparing the one and one in order, let's sort both of them. Cool. And to go through one by one, let's have 2 pointers. So I'll call this start pointer, so from the beginning, and end pointer from the beginning of the end. So let's iterate through all the start times. So we can say while start pointer is less than interval length. And let's have a way to keep track of our number of rooms. Number of rooms is equal to 0 initially. So if our start time is after the end time, that means that we don't need extra room because we can have that same room being reused. So we can say if start pointer is after our end pointer, then we don't need the number. Sorry, we don't need the extra room, so we can subtract it and check the next end time. Oops, don't need extra room for this. So, but let's say otherwise, if the start time was before the end time, that means that we do need the extra room to have the separate meeting in another room. So in that case, we need to increment this. And then we just check the next start time. So let's see if this works. Works just fine. Works just fine. Let's talk about runtime. So this is all of n, where we're just pushing each of the values into our starts and ends. Since we're storing them, this is going to be all of n log n for both of these. So this is all of n log n. It's also all of n log n. Then comparing them one by one is just going to be another all of n option. So together it's all of n plus all of n log n plus all of n log n plus all of n, which by the end of it is just in total a O of n log n solution, where n is the number of intervals in our given array. Cool. So with that, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll put a link to the question as well as my GitHub down below, and I'll see you guys next time.